Hi guys, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh. Thank you for stopping back by. I want to say this up front because I always forget to say it. Please subscribe. Thank you if you did. Push on the bell right here somewhere, right there, because you never know when I'm going to make a video. So if you don't want to miss me, push on the bell and it'll give you a notification. And all my links are down below. Glue Gun Chronicles is my group, and there's about close to 1,000 people, getting close to 1,000 people, and we share, and it's a very loving group. And then there's my blog on Facebook and my Pinterest and all that good stuff. But anyway, um, oh my gosh, guys. So in January, on the 8th, HSN had that big 25-hour, not 24. They make so much money, I guess, off of it, so that they went an extra hour because they started an hour early of that crafters stuff. Well, I couldn't help myself. This one kit is so big from Crafters Companion that it's one video by itself instead of a haul. So this is a haul video, but it is Crafters Companion, the Peony set. Peony, I guess is what you call it. It's so much stuff. So I'll show it all to you. I know there's a glare. This was the most expensive thing I bought, but I did do like 4 payments or 5 payments monthly. So anyway, but it's so much stuff, it was worth it because I know how much one item is. So just buying um, 3 of her items paid for the rest. So that's how I put it in my head to not feel guilty. So let me try to fix the lighting somehow. Um, there's just going to be a glare, but let's put the glare to the back and move this off to the side. Yeah. Okay, so I haven't even opened anything but one item. The Peony Collection. Is that what it's called? Um, yeah. So there's an edgeable border. That's really sweet. There's this. It's 3 pieces. It's the outer, then this, and then the middle piece. Let's see. There you go. There's the 3 pieces. You can make it that to lay on this to lay on top or this to lay on top. Isn't that really pretty? I love this. I really wanted that. I really wanted this, and I'll show you this in just a second because I already used it. This is a stamp and the outer to cut out the stamp. See if I stamp it and then color it in. I'm not good at coloring and stamping yet, and I want to get there because I think mentally it will just soothe you. So that's what I want to try. So there is that piece. There is this big peony. Am I saying it right? There's this big stamp, and then it lets you, the die lets you cut it out. So you would stamp it, put that right where you stamp it, and then run it through my Gemini. Apparently I'm a crafter's companion type of person because I have it everywhere in my house. So, but I love her stuff. There is 4-piece die set. You got the outer and the inner of the butterflies, and see what it would do is cut the back piece and then the top piece of those two. You have the word hello, and it is 2 pieces too because it cuts the back piece and the top piece. This right here, I really wanted this. You stamp it and then it makes that die, or it makes that flower, I'm sorry, but these are the dies. You stamp it first, then you put this right on top of it and fit it. It only fits one way, and it makes that beautiful rose peony type flower. It looks like a rose, but it's a peony. Isn't that beautiful? This right here is a pricey. Just these 2 would be the price of the whole thing. I'm trying to tell myself that it was okay to spend this money. The vines, there's what they are. And then this is the die. It's in there, but you can't see it, but it's another way to do the flower and the die. So there's quite a bit of dies and flowers. And then I'll show you the paper that comes with it. So this right here is new, a new technology. It is cut, embossing, folder all in one. So it embosses your paper and cuts a design all at the same time. And you only use your top and bottom plate. You don't use any other shims. You only use your two clear plates, your A and B or whatever, however yours is set up. Like, let me see. You would use just the clear plate. Mine has really been used, but the other one looks brand new because it's the top one and this is the bottom one. You only use that when you put your paper in. So let me show you what this does. These are cards that I'm making for Valentine's, and see how it cut it. Can you see the embossing on that? And how it cut this out. And I just made a card. I stuck it on there, and I don't know if you can see the embossing or not. Maybe you can on this. And here's another one where I just made a card, Valentine cards. These are from my mom. But see the embossing all at one time. And then I'll show you the paper. I'm going to show you one of them I made. Here's some I made that I didn't make it oval. Here it is. Where here's one with the little kids behind it, and here's one without. And this one I used a little of let's see, what is this stuff? The waxy stuff, and I put on here. And so anyway, these are just Valentine cards for my mom. She gives out 24, about 30 to grandkids and everything. So anyway, let me put these back in my mom's stash. But look at that card. Isn't that card neat? It's so easy to make. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to get this, it takes literally 2 extra seconds to make this happen. So anyway, so that's what this one does. So let me show you the paper too. 40 pieces, 12 by 12, double-sided. So isn't that paper beautiful? Let me bring it down closer. I don't hardly ever mess up, change the settings on this, but I'll bring it a little closer so you can see. So yeah, and there's the back side. There's the next one. Are we only getting one of each? Huh, I'm wondering if we only get one of each, because that's going to have to be very particular on what I use it on. Let me bring that back out some so you can see the whole thing. Might as well just leave it where it was, huh, guys? So, is this not so pretty and so spring? I'm ready for spring. We've had a mild winter, though, so it's supposed to be really cold this weekend, but we've had a really mild winter. So what was the first paper that we looked at? Okay, so we haven't doubled yet. I'm trying to see if we double. See, you notice I haven't looked at it except for on the TV. It's gorgeous. I see a photo album in this for sure, to make a photo album. I haven't made a photo album in almost, I don't know, 6-7 months. Okay, so we are at seconds because we've seen this before. So there you go, guys. And then in the back, so we saw all those, but in the back, we also have these die cut punch outs, and there are 4 sheets. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of sheets to have punched out. That's nice. Yay! I love it. Am I going to hoard it or use it? guys, my New Year's resolution is I really, really want to start using stuff because I keep saying, oh, well, no one's going to make pretty stuff anymore. I don't want to use it and lose it. But to tell you the truth, there's just more and more and more and more pretty stuff out there. So, yeah, I hope you like what I showed you. I hope you subscribe and enjoyed my short little video. Have a great day, everybody.